I'm Michael Moore, the founder of Moore's Law from Milwaukee, and I help lawyers and law firms across Wisconsin create professional success. We're going to talk about compensation now because compensation can be one of the most controversial topics that I've seen in law firm management. Whether you're forming a new firm or dealing with existing compensation systems, lawyers must be cautious with compensation decisions, because simply improving short-term rewards may create negative and long-term damage to the law firm's culture and values. What we want to focus on is the importance of alignment. Whichever compensation system is used, it's important to decide what are the behaviors and performance that the specific system will reward, and are those the types of behaviors that the firm wants to encourage. One easy approach would be to increase the compensation of the most productive lawyers and decrease the compensation of the least productive lawyers. However, this would obviously require agreement by the law firm on a definition of productive. Lawyers must believe that they are compensated fairly for their contribution to the firm. However, of course, this would require the law firm to agree on a collective definition of what is fair. A successful compensation system requires trust. The members of the firm must believe that the compensation decisions that are being made are made by colleagues who have the firm's best interests at heart. If any of these decisions are handled incorrectly, the law firm's compensation system can become a strategic liability, because inadequate compensation will have a negative impact on the firm's ability to recruit and retain quality lawyers. Creating effective compensation systems requires lawyers and their firms to assess their many variables and align these with desired behavior patterns. In other words, how many ways can you split a dollar? In my work with various law firms across the state, in their compensation systems, it often appears that lawyers have created infinite ways to answer this question. But in actual fact, compensation systems for law firms tend to fall into certain basic categories. See my article in the March 2012 edition of the Wisconsin Lawyer for more details on the most common compensation systems and how each of them rewards specific behavior patterns. You will also learn why effective compensation systems must be aligned with a law firm's culture and values. Remember, for effective compensation at your firm, one size most definitely does not fit all.